Ever feel like your development process is slowed down by endless debugging, context switching, or miscommunication between team members?
How did you know that?
Most IDEs give you tools to write code, but they often fail to streamline collaboration or provide the contextual AI support you need to move fast without breaking things. Now, imagine working in perfect sync with an AI assistant that not only generates code, but also collaborates with you like a teammate, suggesting better solutions, catching mistakes early, and ensuring you're always aligned with the project's goals.
How is that even possible?
That's where Windsurf IDE comes in. In this video, we'll explore how Windsurf IDE transforms coding workflows by combining the best of Copilot and agent systems. With Windsurf, you'll not only write better code, but ship products faster, all while leveraging AI-powered collaboration to stay productive and efficient. Introduction to Windsurf IDE. Windsurf IDE is a next-generation development environment created by the team behind Codium. It enables real-time collaboration with AI to streamline coding, debugging, and project management. By integrating advanced AI models, Windsurf ensures you stay in lockstep with your team while boosting productivity. Whether you're a solo developer, part of a fast-paced startup, or contributing to a large enterprise project, Windsurf IDE empowers you to write cleaner code, make better decisions, and deliver products faster. Now that you're familiar with what Windsurf AI brings to the table, let's explore its advantages that make it an essential tool for professionals in every industry. So, 4 powerful advantages of using Windsurf IDE. 1. Enhanced collaboration with AI. Windsurf acts as your coding partner, offering suggestions in real time based on the full project context. It doesn't just generate snippets, it collaborates, helping you and your team stay aligned on coding standards and project goals. 2. Context-aware suggestions. Unlike traditional Copilot systems, Windsurf understands your project holistically. It analyzes your entire codebase, keeping track of dependencies and objectives, and provides smarter, more relevant suggestions. 3. Faster debugging. With Windsurf, you can catch errors early. Its AI agent proactively identifies issues, recommends fixes, and even explains why a problem occurred. Say goodbye to hours of debugging. 4. Accelerated shipping. By combining AI-assisted coding with agent-based task automation, Windsurf helps you cut down development cycles. You'll spend less time stuck on repetitive tasks and more time focused on building features that matter. Now that we understand what Windsurf AI offers, it's time to dive into how the platform empowers users to harness its features effectively. 4 incredible features of Windsurf IDE. 1. Real-time collaboration with AI. How it works. Windsurf syncs your entire team with an AI-powered assistant that understands your project in its entirety. It suggests contextually accurate code changes, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Example in action. Imagine working on a large web application. A teammate updates the backend API, and Windsurf instantly notifies you about the change, updating your front-end calls to match the new structure. 2. Multi-agent system. How it works. Windsurf combines Copilot-like code generation with agent systems that can execute tasks like refactoring code, running tests, or analyzing performance metrics. Example in action, let's say you need to refactor a legacy codebase. Instead of manually rewriting functions, Windsurf identifies opportunities for optimization and rewrites outdated code, all while ensuring compatibility with existing modules. 3. Contextual code generation. How it works. Windsurf doesn't just generate boilerplate code, it uses its understanding of your project to craft solutions tailored to your specific needs. Example in action. Working on a microservices architecture? Windsurf generates API endpoints, complete with request validation and error handling, ensuring seamless integration with other services. 4. Integrated testing support. How it works. Windsurf automatically writes unit and integration tests for your code. Its AI predicts edge cases, ensuring your software is robust and reliable. Example in action, you're building a checkout feature for an e-commerce app. Windsurf generates test cases for different payment methods, including edge cases like expired cards or insufficient funds, saving hours of manual effort. Windsurf AI is packed with features and benefits that make it the ultimate choice for streamlining your creative workflows and automation needs. But how can you be certain you're on the right track to seamlessly integrate it into your projects? Don't worry, our team is here to provide you with comprehensive guidance every step of the way. Tutorial: How to use Windsurf IDE. Step 1. Sign up and set up your workspace. Head to the Windsurf IDE website and create your account. Once inside, connect your existing repositories or start a new project. Step 2. Enable AI collaboration. Activate Windsurf's AI agent and specify the level of collaboration you want. Code generation. Generate new code snippets based on project requirements. Debugging assistance. Catch errors and receive suggestions for fixes in real time. Testing support. Automatically generate and execute tests. Step 3. Collaborate in real time. Work with teammates using Windsurf's shared workspace. The AI ensures changes are tracked, dependencies are updated, and the codebase remains consistent. Step 4. Optimize with AI agents. Let Windsurf's agents handle repetitive tasks. Refactor old code. Analyze performance bottlenecks. Execute predefined workflows. Step 5. Deploy with confidence. With Windsurf's AI-driven testing and debugging, you can deploy confidently, knowing that the codebase is reliable and efficient. Keeping in mind how Windsurf AI operates, let's dive into the vast array of potential applications it could revolutionize. 4 use cases of Windsurf IDE across industries. 1. Software development teams. Streamline collaboration, maintain clean code, and accelerate release cycles with AI-powered suggestions and debugging. Windsurf ensures all team members stay aligned by providing real-time feedback and context-aware updates across the codebase. 2. Startups. Ship products faster by automating repetitive tasks like writing boilerplate code, testing, and documentation. Windsurf enables startups to focus on innovation by reducing the time spent on mundane coding tasks. 3. Enterprise IT departments. Manage large-scale projects with multi-agent systems that ensure scalability, consistency, and efficiency. Windsurf can handle complex dependencies and workflows, providing actionable insights to optimize resource allocation and improve performance. 4. Freelancers. Simplify solo development by leveraging AI as a coding partner that ensures quality and reduces workload. Windsurf acts as an extra pair of hands, generating clean, error-free code while offering real-time debugging support. Freelancers can take on more complex projects with confidence, knowing the AI will help them stay organized and efficient. Like any other online tool, Windsurf AI comes with its own set of limitations that you need to navigate carefully to avoid potential challenges. 3 disadvantages of Windsurf IDE. 1. Learning curve. While intuitive, some users may need time to adapt to Windsurf's advanced features, especially if they're new to AI-assisted tools. Developers who are used to traditional IDEs might find features like multi-agent systems and contextual code generation overwhelming at first. 2. Steep resource usage. Windsurf's powerful AI tools and real-time collaboration features may require significant system and network resources. On less powerful devices, users could experience lag, slower processing speeds, or reduced efficiency during high-intensity tasks like large-scale debugging or complex code generation. 3. Potential privacy concerns. As a cloud-based AI-assisted IDE, Windsurf involves uploading and processing sensitive code and project data. Teams working on confidential or proprietary projects may worry about data security or compliance with organizational or regulatory requirements. Ensuring proper data handling and encryption could require additional steps to mitigate risks. Conclusion: Windsurf IDE redefines how developers collaborate with AI, offering a seamless blend of context-aware coding, debugging, and project management. Fun fact about Windsurf IDE. Windsurf AI gets its name from the agility and smooth adaptability of windsurfing, just like the way the tool seamlessly navigates through complex data and workflows. Its goal? To help you ride the wave of productivity with style and efficiency. Ready to supercharge your development workflow? Smash that subscribe button for more tips, tools, and tutorials on leveraging AI for faster, smarter coding. Stay tuned for more ways to level up your development game.